Carrie Pierce, back again to talk to you for MLDU.org, your jargon-free guide to mobile location data. And I work at Uber Media, and I am the Chief Product Officer and Senior Vice President of Engineering for Uber Media, which is a mobile location data vendor. I want to talk to you today about psychographic affinity. So how can you find out a little bit more about your visitors other than just the fact that their phone indicated that they have walked in the door of your building? What else can you discover about those folks? So as we all know, everybody has hobbies and interests, right? And so let's take a look at our mythical person here. They're interested in bowling, makeup, and pets, right? And so how do you know that those folks are interested in that? Well, in a real world, that means that they are going to pet stores, they're going to bowling alleys, they're going to the Sephoras and Macs of the world. And so they are expressing those interests via real world visits. Well, then you bring your cell phone along, and your cell phone is emitting data points and tracking the fact that people have gone to lipstick stores and pet stores and bowling stores or wherever they're expressing their interest. And so by doing this, we can build mobile vendors can build a database of all of the locations that all of these different devices went to that express these interests as reflected by mobile location visits. And by doing this, then you can collect these psychographic interests for a whole bunch of different people. And these people then, if they're all the visitors to your store, you can begin to understand that your visitors to your store have these behavioral interests outside of just the fact that they went to your store. This could potentially offer up some co-marketing opportunities, like if for some reason you're a fast food joint and a big significant portion of your users are pet owners, maybe you want to put pet bowls outside of water bowls outside of your restaurant, for example. Or a lot of them are bowlers. You're going to go to the bowling alley and put flyers in local bowling alleys offering coupons to come in and try your fast food. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with this and line up basically, okay, my visitors are made up of makeup enthusiasts and pet owners and bowling fans, and do a lot of activity around those kinds of understanding of your psychographic profiles of your users. So let's talk about a real world example. If we go through, and again, let's go and look at Home Depots and Lowe's and what the psychographic profile belongs to those. So we'll travel together to central New Jersey, where there's a close by Home Depot and Lowe's, and we're going to take a look at what are the differences in terms of the visitors and their interests in terms of what else they're into besides, obviously, home improvement or doing work around the yard. So in Home Depot, you see that we have casual diners, pet owners, fast fooders, do-it-yourselfers, and fitness-minded people. Whereas with Lowe's, the top 5 psychographic segments are their casual diners, the pet owners, the fitness-minded, so a little bit more fitness-minded than in Home Depot. Also the fast foodie, and more parents. Right, so basically the key difference here is with Home Depot, you're seeing a little bit more do-it-yourselfers, which kind of fits with the mantra of Home Depot. And on the Lowe's, a little bit more likely to be parents than they are off at Home Depot. And so that's going to be the key differences between those two segments, and allowing you to then get insight into what's going on with your visitors just besides the fact that they were in your store. So a great thing to talk to your mobile location data vendor about in terms of what kind of psychographic information they can give you about your visitors. Check out more of our content at MLDU.org, and thank you.